All right, everyone, welcome back. My name is Lindewi, your virtual host, and I'm thrilled to kick off the first session of a three-part lecture series on understanding passion as a performance multiplier, where we'll be diving deep into a truly powerful force. Passion, of course. Over the next three sessions, we're going to explore how passion isn't just a fleeting emotion, but actually a fundamental driver of your motivation, your resilience, and ultimately, your ability to achieve extraordinary things. Think of passion as the engine that supercharges your journey towards mastery. In this session, we're specifically focusing on the psychology of passion and achievement. Our goal today is to unravel the psychological underpinnings of this powerful emotion and understand exactly how it impacts our ability to learn, grow, and achieve. We'll clarify the distinction between passion and mere interest, examine how passion acts as an accelerator for your progress, and even peek into the fascinating neuroscience behind intrinsic motivation. So, let's start by clearing up a common point of confusion: the difference between interest and passion. You might be interested in a new hobby, a fascinating topic, or a particular skill. Interest often manifests as a feeling of curiosity or perhaps a pleasant fascination. You might enjoy reading about it, dabbling in it occasionally, or having conversations about it. Passion, on the other hand, is a different beast altogether. It's an intense, driving force, a deep seated emotion that truly compels you towards a specific goal or activity. It's more than just liking something, it's a powerful internal pull that directs your energy and focus. The key differences often lie in the intensity of the emotion, the duration of your commitment, and perhaps most importantly, the sheer motivational power it unleashes within you. While interest might lead to casual exploration, passion fuels persistent action. Now let's explore how this intense drive of passion translates into accelerated learning and progress. When you are truly passionate about something, your focus sharpens dramatically. Your attention becomes laser like, and your cognitive processing kicks into high gear. You're more likely to absorb information quickly and retain it effectively because you are genuinely invested in understanding it. Furthermore, passion fuels a greater willingness to engage in deliberate practice. You don't see the effort required as a burden. Instead, it becomes an integral part of pursuing something you deeply care about. You're more likely to seek out challenges, push through plateaus, and dedicate the necessary time and energy to hone your skills. And when setbacks inevitably occur, passion acts as a powerful wellspring of resilience and perseverance. Your commitment isn't easily shaken because it's rooted in something much deeper than just wanting a positive outcome. This leads us to the fascinating domain of neuroscience and the concept of intrinsic motivation. Intrinsic motivation, at its core, means performing an activity for the inherent satisfaction and enjoyment it brings, rather than for external rewards like praise, money, or recognition. Think about a musician lost in their playing or an artist completely absorbed in their work. They are driven by the sheer joy of the activity itself. Our brains play a crucial role in this. The neurotransmitter dopamine, often associated with pleasure and reward, is significantly involved. When you engage in activities you are passionate about, your brain releases dopamine, creating a sense of satisfaction and reinforcing that behavior. This creates a powerful positive feedback loop. Your passion aligns beautifully with intrinsic motivation, driving you towards mastery and excellence because the process itself is inherently rewarding. You're not just chasing an external goal, you're fueled by the internal joy of growth and accomplishment. So, to wrap up this session, we've explored the critical role of passion in driving achievement. We've differentiated it from interest, highlighting its intensity and motivational power. We've seen how passion accelerates learning and progress by enhancing focus, fueling deliberate practice, and fostering resilience. and we've touched upon the neuroscience of intrinsic motivation, understanding how passion taps into our brain's reward system to create a powerful engine for growth. Before we close out, I want you to take a moment for some personal reflection. In your journal, consider this prompt. Reflect on a time when you felt truly passionate about something. What were the key differences between that experience and a time when you were merely interested? How did passion affect your learning, progress, and overall performance? Remember, passion isn't some elusive trait that only a select few possess. It's a learnable and cultivatable skill. I encourage you to actively seek out and pursue those activities that truly ignite your inner fire. In our next session, we'll be taking a crucial step in this direction as we focus on identifying your core drivers. We'll explore practical strategies to help you uncover what truly motivates you at a fundamental level. I look forward to seeing you there. Thank you.